हेलो एवरीवन, डू यू लाइक समवन लेकिन आपको बहुत डर लगता है कि इसको कैसे बोलें अपनी फीलिंग्स, या फिर कभी कोई आपकी लाइफ में था एंड यू आर स्टिल नॉट एबल टू फॉरगेट देम। मैं एक्स की बात कर रही हूँ ऑफ कोर्स, या फिर आपके मन में वो अभी भी एक्स नहीं है और उसकी फीलिंग्स अभी तक हैं एंड यू वांट देम टू कम बैक इन योर लाइफ, और मे बी यू आर ऑलरेडी इन अ रिलेशनशिप, you have future plans together, but things aren't beautiful because you feel stuck, you are fighting, you have distance, you have misunderstandings. In all of the above scenarios which I have shared with you, you have one thing, which is intention, that you want to make it work. Then I'm making this video for you. Hi and welcome back to my channel Manifest with Shilpa, and I help a lot of people with love manifestations, and today I'm going to share with you my best technique that works like magic for a lot of people inside my coaching. और जो भी अभी मैंने शेयर किया, अगर ये सारे सिनेरियोज में कोई भी आपका सिनेरियो है तो you must watch my video till the end because you're going to find your solution, and you must try these techniques which I'm sharing here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to share more and more such techniques that help manifest love to people and of course money and business. So basically all what you need is here. And also don't forget to press the bell icon. So I have seen this technique work for one of my students. Let's call her A. So she had not spoken to the person that she loved, right, for a long time, and they were blocked. He had blocked her. But when she came to me, she said, "Ma'am, क्या ये ठीक हो जाएगा?" I gave her this technique. जहाँ पर calls और messages भी नहीं जा पा रहे थे, जवाब नहीं आ रहा था, वहाँ पर she got her first breakthrough within just 2 days. So the breakthrough was that he unblocked her and the message was delivered और एक लाइन का मैसेज जवाब आया. So it means कि दवाई लग गई, मतलब कि manifestation technique was working for her. So she just kept going with consistency and in my guidance, and then in a month they were back on calls, they were talking and they were not fighting, and they met and eventually it got sorted out and now they are together. Like, it's beautiful now. So I'm happily sharing those techniques here and how that can be done. और देखो, अगर आपने किसी का भी वीडियो देखा होगा इसके ऊपर which is Ho'oponopono prayer, so सबका बताने का मेथड अलग होता है. I literally install it on you. My method is a little different because mechanically करना अलग बात है लेकिन पूरी तरह समझ के करना अलग बात. So you just watch how this has to be used because manifestation is all inner game, inner. और लास्ट में वीडियो में मैं एक हैक भी बताऊंगी which is going to help you a lot. तो अगर आप manifestation के बारे में कुछ भी जानते हैं तो you must be already aware that manifestation is not that magic but it's your internal energy shift. इस shift को करने में ही सारी एनर्जी जो आपकी लगती है, जो सारा ध्यान लगता है, उसी से रिजल्ट आता है. Here we are going to talk about Ho'oponopono and how to use it. So this is a prayer, and this is a lot of people know that this is ancient Hawaiian practice of healing and forgiveness. Now it's very simple. इसमें सिर्फ 4 लाइनें हैं, लेकिन जिस तरीके से आपको बोलनी है वो मैं बताऊंगी because mechanically बोल के तो रिजल्ट शायद नहीं आएगा. But when you know say them properly as I'm going to explain to them, then you're going to get results. So what you have to do is now bring your SP, because this is about specific person. Bring your SP in your mind. You already know your person. Let's say you're watching my video and you don't have anyone and it's someone new that you want. Then still bring a person in your mind, may not have face, you know, when you imagine them or when you visualize them. But just close your eyes, picture that person and see that that person is happy, calm and peaceful, and he is smiling at you. He or she is looking at you and smiling at you, and you both are in a very good energy and a very good aura. And now you will say these 4 sentences to this person. Your eyes are closed. So you're saying, "I'm sorry, my dear, if I thought that you don't love me, or I ever neglected you, or I unintentionally or intentionally ever hurt you. I'm sorry for all of that. Please forgive me. And thank you so much that you have given me these feelings of love, and I really, really cherish them, and I'm grateful for them, and I love you, and I promise to take care of you and all your needs, and I want you around. Please be there with me." So say these 4 phrases like this. So this is priming. After that you have to just repeat for this person. "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you." If you want to add more lines, keep on doing it, but what I want you to do is repeat it for at least 5 minutes. You can set timer on your phone. Usually I do it when I'm doing Ho'oponopono. So timer is set for 5 minutes every time you do it for whatever. So I do it for self-love. For that, there I do it for myself. You can do that for your SP, your specific person, your soul partner, whatever you like to call it, for 5 minutes. So put a timer and do it. So first few times, feel it and do it like that, with full sentences. Take the name of the person, and after that, just go on with full four sentences. And it's just going in a sequence, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. It'll just go on like. Now, what to keep in mind, while doing this? What is important is that you do not overthink after this. Don't go into that thinking कि अब क्या होगा, अब मैसेज कब आएगा, oh my god, अभी तक मैसेज नहीं आया, मैंने होपोनोपोनो कर ली. You get anxious. और अगर आप एंजाइटी में जाओगे, so you will slip out of the manifestation zone. जो अच्छा लग रहा है वो सब खराब हो जाएगा. So वो नहीं करना है, because with this practice you also must surrender. Because अगर आप surrender नहीं करोगे तो you will get stuck in the loop of anxiety, which we don't want for sure, because we want your energy to be in high manifestation zone. और मेरे आपको यहाँ वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे where I explain what is high vibration zone, और उसकी टेक्निक्स भी बताई हुई है मैंने. उसके साथ आप होपोनोपोनो को कंबाइन करो, so you will get the result. So now, as promised, I'm going to give you a hack. When you're doing ho'oponopono, just play a high vibration music in the background, very meditative and serene and calm. Just do this prayer because it'll keep you calm. And afterwards, what you can do, the most advised manifestation technique is that you play your love songs and visualize your person with you in those songs, and then literally just surrender. You are just enjoying that moment and not doing anything else. And then afterwards, you just surrender, and don't just underestimate the power of your subconscious. I've seen this prayer work in the most difficult situations. Marriages are saved, old friends are reunited, and lost lovers finding their way back. So one of my students, when she met me, she was actually calling police for domestic violence for her husband. It's been 1.5 years now, and she's now expecting the second baby with the same husband. So you can imagine how much the relationship has healed now, and then she's able to find her home back with the same person. So Ho'oponopono is literally magical. You must just believe in it, and it gives a lot of hope, because let's say you are in a relationship, you have children, then it's important that you heal your relationship with your partner. So I want you to commit now. If you have seen this video till here, it means you have some kind of hope in you. Now, if you're ready to heal this connection which is important to you, comment below I'm ready, and then begin this beautiful journey. And I'll look at your comments and I'll be happy to reply. And if this video has touched your heart, give it a like, subscribe for more simple, powerful manifestation tools, and share it with anyone who may need, because this is a beautiful prayer, and this really is very powerful. So share this message, spread this love, and just remember to let go of all your fear, anger, and insecurity inside you when you do this prayer, because that's eventually going to happen if you do it regularly for 21 days. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for next. Bye bye.